Well, some more of the Royal Doulton Sonnet to show you, but this time the cereal or dessert bowls, not the rimmed versions. These are quite large, quite wide ones. If I show you the side elevation, nearest measurement is 6 and a 3/4 inch, 6.75 inch. Could be 6 7/8. They're sort of in between really, but they're very nice condition, as you can see. Hardly a mark on the surface. Rims are in very good condition. They're nicely marked with first quality Royal Doulton Sonnet H5012 copyright Doulton & Co Limited marks, made between 1970 and 1999, 71 to 99 I think was the last production of Sonnet. Did change the marks occasionally over these. These are on the early Royal Doulton green factory marks. Only got 2 of them, but in very nice vintage used condition. Nice pieces of Royal Doulton porcelain china. We've got the rim soup bowls, dessert plates, side plates, teacups and saucers. We've got a whole dinner stroke tea service in Sonnet that's coming online over the next couple of weeks. So if you are looking for pieces of these for the replacement market or to add to an existing collection, do have a browse through the website. Thanks for watching.